So in this video, we are going to solve question 7 of ICSE Computer Applications 2017 paper. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to receive all the latest updates. So the question says, write a program to input integer elements into an array of size 20 and perform the following operations. Display the largest number from the array, display smallest number from the array, display sum of all elements of the array. So let's get to coding now. So you need to read 20 values from the user. Scanner to read from the user. Scanner is equals to new scanner system dot in. Close the scanner. Close. So I am going to first write the methods that we'll need. So I will first write a method that takes in an array and returns the largest number from the array. Method to find the largest number in the array. Static void print largest, and it takes an array. So assuming the first value is the largest value, so I'll say int largest is array of 0, the first value. Iterate the array and look the largest. For int I is equals to 1. So since we already took array 0 value as the largest, we will start with 1, goes till less than array dot length and I plus plus. Now if we find any value in the array that is greater than the largest, so the largest becomes that ith value. So if largest is less than any of these ith values, then largest is the ith value. Print the largest value. Largest value in the array is plus largest. So this is the method to find the largest value. Similarly, method to find smallest value in the array. The static void print smallest takes an integer array. Now similarly, we are going to take a variable that is going to store the smallest. A variable to store the smallest. So int smallest is equals to array of 0. And with the similar technique, we are going to iterate through the rest of the array and look for the minimum. Update the smallest. So for int I is equals to 1, since you already took the array ith 0 value, I is less than array dot length I plus plus. Now our smallest is going to be updated if any of the ith values is smaller than the current smallest. So if smallest is greater than array of I, then smallest equals to array of I, and print smallest. So I'll say smallest value in the array plus smallest. Alright, so we have the largest number, the smallest number, or you can say number since they are talking about numbers. Okay, keeping the output as similar as to the question they are asking. Then the method to find the sum of the numbers. Okay, sum of all elements. So static void sum and takes an integer array. Okay, the variable to store the sum. So int sum 0. Iterate the array and add each element to the sum. So for int element in array, sum plus equals to element. Print the sum. Sys out sum of all elements in the array is plus sum. Alright. Now we need to do is read values from the input and call all these methods, the array to store 20 values. So I'll say int array equals new int 20. Okay, so I'll just add a message to the user to input 20 values, prompt the user to input 20 integers. Okay, so sysout enter 20 integers. Okay, use a for loop for int I is equals to 0, I is less than 20 elements, I plus plus, read this ith value. So I'll say array of I is equals to scanner dot next int. Okay, and all I need to do is call the method. So print largest, I'll say print largest, pass this array, then print smallest, I'll say print smallest, pass this array, and then I'll say sum of the elements, sum of array. Alright, so let's just run this. Okay, so I'll say 23, 4, 8 minus 37. Okay, so the largest number in the array is 189, which is correct. The smallest number array in the array is the maximum negative, which is minus 1 to 3, and sum of the all elements in the array is 3 to 3. So if you sum this, you will find this as the answer. So this was the solution to the question, and I hope this video was helpful. So please do like this video, subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and thank you for watching.